It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and it's definitely a new life when it comes to Samsung's Galaxy Buds with the introduction of the Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro, which ushers in a new age for Samsung's audio buds. Will this new era be the difference maker and the refresh we didn't know we wanted, or should Samsung have stuck to the original formula we've come to know? Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our quick hands-on with the Buds 3 Pro and the Buds 3. The biggest change to the Galaxy Buds line is not just the launch of a Pro and a non-Pro version at the same time, but it's the complete U-turn away from the traditional stemless design we've known and been familiar with. Samsung has gone with a new stem design for both earbuds. They stated this was down to the market research that they did from users that much preferred the stem design when it came to using their earbuds. So here we are with an all-new design for the Buds 3 series. What I do appreciate from Samsung is the unique take with a bladed triangular look to the stem of both the Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro. Now, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro takes the design a step further with an additional blade lighting system which illuminates in different colors and ways depending on what you're doing. The lighting system can tell you the on and off status for the Buds 3 Pro. When using Samsung Find to locate them, if lost, they will flash to make it easier to find in darker conditions. The light can also flash to show you when it's in a pairing mode, and also you can turn the lights on at will to your liking. Now, the design of the Buds 3 follow what Samsung are calling an open type design, in which the earbuds sit more on your ear, while the Buds 3 Pro uses a canal type with ear tips that fit more inside your ears for a much more secure fit that aids in better sound isolation. What's actually really impressive to see is an IP57 rating for dust and water resistance on both models of the Buds 3, which I believe is the first time for Samsung to have actually such a high rating against the elements, which I believe the previous was IPX7. The overall design change is definitely a major one. When it comes to the technical improvements to the sound quality, both Buds 3 models have seen a nice improvement. Both now support 24-bit audio at 96 kHz high ultra quality, which is up from 48 kHz from before. The Buds 3 Pro specifically now have dual amplifiers for better sound separation and also a higher frequency response range of up to 40 kHz, which is double from before. Through software, you can actually even personalize the sound amplification individually on each earbud, which is great to have for those that are hard at hearing and need more bespoke level control for it to actually be of help. Using the power of Samsung's AI training models, there is a focus on improving voice quality, especially when in noisy environments. For the first time, when paired with a compatible Galaxy smartphone, you can get super wideband support for clear sound at 16 kHz. Galaxy AI also makes a show here on the Buds 3 series with the addition of real-time interpreter listening mode. This allows you to set the language on your Galaxy smartphone to listen out for, and then Galaxy AI should convert it in real time to your native language that's supported. How well this works is definitely yet to be heard, but it will be interesting to see how well it works in the real world. Samsung's new intelligent sound takes adaptive sound and noise control to a new level with the ability to make relevant changes to the sound EQ and ANC quality on the go based on the surrounding noise and environment. Taking it further with the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro specifically, there's now an automatic noise adjustment feature on the Buds 3 Pro that is powered by Galaxy AI to adjust the ambient sound and ANC according to the situation and surroundings you are in, such as construction noise, site, for max ANC, alarm and siren, alongside detecting speech while making the relevant adjustments to it. The features for the Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro especially do look promising, and although the context of our hands-on session was spread across at least 7 new devices from Samsung with a space of around 45 minutes to test, use them, and also showcase them, not much time was given, but it does sound promising so far when it comes to the Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro. We now have support for Bluetooth 5.4 with auto switching. Battery capacity is rated at 53 mAh for Pro model and 48 for the non-Pro, and 550 mAh for both models when it comes to their charging case, which does support USB-C wired charging and wireless charging as well. Pricing for the Buds 3 comes in at £159 and £219 for the Buds 3 Pro, which will be on sale from the 24th of July 2024. What's your thoughts on the Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.